Yeah.
All right, Casey, hold that for me. It's already good. Over there. Oh yeah.
This is Coho combat.
Oh! Yeah! Whoa! That's a good one. Petra,
Here's a.
we did it. We did it. Woo!
Oh my gosh. There's a tank.
Thank you, Casey. Everybody's got fish. Mandatory picture time.
All right. Try to keep this from falling into
There
the
you go.
ocean.
Just hold them right by the head. Fingers in the.
I have a monster!
Cameraman Casey, thank you, Casey. Appreciate
Yes,
you,
sir.
buddy. Where's Kenai? Cameraman.
Cameraman.
Thank you. There it is.
Wow.
You see him? Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good luck. Woo! All right. Woo! Kayla, nice job, Kayla. Nikki, I gotta get a picture with you and that fish. Sweet, we'll be back. We're going here. Coho death roll. Not too sure if that's the setup, but that's what we're gonna run. There you go. Yeah! Oh, we have madness going on. Oh, that just pointed at me. Woo! Get him, Mikey. Get him. Keep that tip up. Keep that tip up. Tip up. Tip up. Yeah, buddy. Ow. Ow. Yeah. Good shot. Look at this machine! Damn, I never seen one that real and that fast. Wow, that was a record, dude! Wow! Noah's doing camera work because I've been busy with this. Oh my lord! Woo! Got a great day on the sunrise. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, this reel. Don't worry about the tangle. How bad do you want this fish?
I want this
Okay,
fish.
trade it off to him and reel because we're gonna lose that.
Yeah.
Tip up,
my
tip
God.
up. Good job, buddy. All right. Let's untangle that. There we go. Heavy one. Not too bad. All right. Keep her coming. Keep her coming, keep her coming. Tip up, tip up, tip up. Oh my gosh.
That's a long
Oh, yeah, yeah, yes! Yeah. Woo!
Can we record you? Yeah, it's already recorded.
Woo! Yeah, buddy. Oh, could this be the Chinook? Could this be the Chinook I've been waiting for? Want me to reel it? Or you got it? You doing this? Keep on fighting it. Holy smokes, guys. Oh. I gotta go.
Reel that!
Yeah, buddy. Whoa. Check that hog out. Wow. And my cameraman here, what's your name?
Noah.
Noah, thank you, Noah. Appreciate it.
Oh my gosh.
Woo! How do you feel, bud? You a little tired? Yeah! Oh my gosh, Coho madness. We had triples on. Of course the camera wasn't rolling. One for you. We got this guy. Back up a little bit. Woo! Close quarter combat here with Lucille. Jeez. Nice job, sir.
I didn't even lose the first one.
Nice job, boys. Jimmy, you okay?
Yeah. Just got me up on my finger.
Oh my gosh. Jim's got war wounds. Okay, band-aids. Fish in the box. Cindy's buddies back out. Exciting. Second net. Oh, yes. Chase. Everywhere. Hold that camera. Hold that camera. I got you. Don't touch the... No, I got you. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Baby, that's a tank.
Nice.
Tank. Nice fish. Look at that.
The chaos is here.
That a girl.
Then I had to get a picture with that one, Jamie.
Yeah,
Nice.
buddy.
All right, we got some rods to get in.
Nice.
Woo. Nice job, sir. You caught this one? Yeah. Nice, that's a fat one. All right, we got to get back in the water here. Stay tuned. At day 5. Welcome to the What's on Noah? Oh, we got 2. We got 3. All right, get that out. Woo! Close one. Nice job, Katie. Fish on! Fish on! Hold this, Bill.
I gotta get that rod. Go. Went to screen name.
Up here high, Bill.
Thank you.
Got in by the tail.
Oh man. It's madness. Thank you, Bill. Nice job. Woo!
Oh, fish on!
Fish on. Be sure.
Woo! Here, hold this, sir. Just pointing at me. Come on, buddy. Oh, fish on over there. Bill, take the net. I'm reeling that one in. We got a fish still on. Anything on there? What? It's still on. No, he's blocked. You got it? Reel. Dip up. Dip up. Hold your dip up. Start walking backwards. Walk backwards. Dip up. Let's go. There we go. Oh, man. Woo! Yeah, buddy. All right. Lucille meet Coho. Excuse me. Oh, over here. Come on. Get that rod out. All right. Honorary deckhand, sweet. Fish on. Nice job, buddy. High five. Thank you. You're right on that net. Beat me to it.
Nice job. Look at that fish.
Woo!
Boy. Oh, she's beautiful. Beautiful. Right.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Got one. Okay. There you go, bud. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Oh, fish on. Come on, Casey, you got this, buddy. Get that rod out, guys. Get your rods. Rod, grab the rod. Come on, buddy, you got this. Fish on. Tip up, tip up. Ah! Another fish, another fish. Fish on. Right here, right here. Oh. Tip up. Woo! Crazy one. Gabriel, tip up, Eddie. Tip up. Walk backwards. Walk backwards.
Walk back, go back.
Walk backwards.
Go back, go back.
Come on.
There you go. I didn't mean to yell at you, man, but I was like, Eddie, walk backwards.
Thank you, brother.
Eddie, my man Eddie here. Yeah, buddy. Sweet. Let me get one fixed. Noah. Oh, you Phil. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Good shot.
Wow.
Thank you.
I got that, by the way.
Dang, sweet. Thank you. I know. I saw that. Oh, good group today, man. Great group. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Oh, barbless hooks. Dang. Jamie.
Yeah.
Thank you, Noah. Camera guy once again. Jamie, come here. Come here. Look at the size of that kid. Look at that fish. Woo! That is a giant coho. How do you feel?
I feel great. Truly great.
Nice one. Here, you want to? Oh, you're done holding fish, aren't you?
No.
Okay.
No.
Get in there. Oh my lord. Wow. Oh, beautiful. All right. Well, we're gonna head her on back into port. Thanks for checking this video out. Nice job, Captain Roman.
Thank you, Captain.
Thank you, Captain. Yes. Woo! No, we're close to it. We're close to it, real close. So yeah, stay tuned. See you out there. Thanks for watching. And that's a wrap. I'm starting to meet some of you guys that watch these videos, and I'm just over the moon about all the channel support. So thank you. You know, I'm just a dude with a camera that likes capturing people having a good time fishing. And for me, it's a blast, you know, putting these videos together. So anyways, thanks for the support. Book trip, dockside. We are going out salmon fishing again. They just opened it up. All right, take care, guys. Have a good one.